welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Deepa. We have started Lunchbox series followed by our Spice series, and in this every episode you are going to get idea of how to pack a healthy lunchbox. And let's get into episode number 1. A healthy lunchbox comprises of whole grain, a healthy protein and tons of veggies along with some fruit. So today we are gonna make teriyaki fried rice. Let's get started. Take 2 cups of brown rice and cook it in 6 cups of water with adequate salt. When you see that the brown rice is being cooked to the right consistency, strain off and keep it aside in a plate. The rice should not be sticking to each other, and at the same time it should break soft too. To a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of chopped ginger and a teaspoon of garlic. Once this turns golden, add finely chopped onion to it and saute it until it turns translucent. Now it's time to add veggies. Add in 1/4 cup of corn, 1/4 cup of diced carrots, 1/2 cup of small broccoli florets, 1/4 cup of peas. Mix it very well and saute it for 5 minutes. Wow, these veggies are looking so colorful and yummy. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped cabbage and 1/4 cup of bell pepper. We are adding cabbage and bell pepper little late because this cooks faster than the other veggies. Sprinkle in adequate salt for the veggies and pepper. Now here I have cut 100 grams of tofu into small cubes and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce to it. Mix it well. This teriyaki sauce is store-bought one. To the stir-fried veggies also I'm adding 1/2 cup of teriyaki sauce. We are using store-bought ONG's teriyaki sauce. Now saute the stir-fried veggies for another 3 minutes. Finally add the marinated tofu. I'm taking half of the sauteed veggies into another box because this can be mixed with your noodles, or you can refrigerate it and use it for another day of lunch. Now let's add half of the cooked brown rice and stir fry for another 3 minutes. You can stir fry the remaining veggies later along with the remaining brown rice, or you can use it for your noodles or store it in a refrigerator and it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Brown rice for the whole grain, tofu for a protein, and colorful veggies. This is one of the healthy lunchbox you could pack for you and your family. Hope you love this healthy lunchbox recipe of Veg Teriyaki fried rice. Do try it out. It's gonna be definitely tasty and healthy as well. And stay tuned for more healthy lunchbox recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Meet you next video. Until then, bye.